check. Water, check. Where are we now?
We're at Fort Loudon State Park. We're gonna go to the fort today and see the...
Fort Loudon Historical Park.
But the fort's just called the fort, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you like this high? American flag. See the red and the blue and white? That's American flag. I like it. I see something up here. Look at the fort.
Yep.
Something up ahead, do you?
Cool, that looks pretty neat in there.
Oh, yeah. Daddy, I found dangerous stuff. Let me show you. Come here.
What?
More dangerous stuff ahead. Beautiful. Ain't this beautiful?
It's really
It's nice.
Look at the cannon.
Cannonball. Oh, you want to see. Like, fire the hole. Where we shoot. Oh, you want to see these?
All right, let's go look at them.
Whoa. Look at this. Is there cannonballs in it right now?
I would not think so.
Huh?
No cannonballs in there right now.
Can I pull it and shoot it?
Sure.
One pull.
This building right here is where they kept all their ammunition.
Why will it not pull? That's weird. Let's go in there. Where you leave all your stuff.
Papa said that's where they used to keep the ammunition.
Well, it's still in there.
Oh,
Yeah,
he said it's still in there. Look.
In here. Clear the guns are still here.
Oh, yeah.
Look. Everybody, come here. Check this out. The guns are still here. Look at this. The Indians left the guns here. And this, look. That's so cool. Those guns are real. That's what they use to shoot. What the heck? What is all this stuff? Oh no. Why did they leave their guns? Oh yeah.
Look at this. It's like a little community.
Heck yeah.
They're locked up. There's an open one.
I hope no one's in. Hello? Anyone there?
Go on in.
No one.
This is a blockhouse. Pretty neat, huh?
This is where they used to sleep. See all these beds? They used to sleep on these. Yeah. This is cool, right?
It is very cool.
Heck yeah.
They got the firewood right
Let's
outside.
get out of
too,
here.
for-
This place is scaring me. This place is scaring me. Ooh.
There's a well.
What was in the house, Landon? What was in the house?
Wow.
Wow, this is a real brick oven. Pretty cool.
Hey, everybody. Everybody. Hey, I found something.
You did? What'd you find?
Is that an oven?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Cool.
Come here.
Hey there.
You want to see?
You. This down here looks like where they made all their stuff, like a little workshop area.
What the heck?
Wow. That's where they built a lot of stuff.
Are they still here? They come.
They probably forged some weapons
Yeah.
here and sharpened their swords and.
Let's get out of here before the weapons get to us. What the heck? What is it? I see something over there. I'm on to something. I'm on to something. I'm on to
Ooh.
something.
What's in here?
Looks like where they kept their food.
Oh yeah. Beef,
Coffee, bacon, leaf tobacco, mustard,
whiskey.
black pepper. Yeah, whiskey and soap.
I found a soldier. What? This way. Follow me. I'm on to something. What? Who's in the boat? Who's in the boat?
We don't know who's in the boats.
It's on bad.
No, it's just somebody out enjoying their boats.
Bamboo.
There's a bamboo forest.
Is this here a long time ago?
I want to read about it.
Come here.
Look at this.
Is this animal skin?
It is animal skin. I don't know what it is. Maybe deer?
Yeah.
This is where they hung out when it was really hot out. This is where they hung out when it was really cold.
Did you hear that, Landon?
What?
They hung out there when it was really, really hot, and they hung out here when it was really, really cold.
Why would they hang there?
The mud structure is a winter house and the open structure is the summer house.
Look there, somebody's handprint.
Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah. Who is it?
I don't know.
I'm scared. Are you scared?
No.
Think I'm on where going? Look, there's another one.
What's this say?
Is this where it was?
Was this a cool place?
Yeah. Hit this thumbs up button. Please subscribe to our channel.